A stress relief technique, I actually learned this through ayahuasca ceremonies, which taught me what it truly meant to be in touch with nature. And for me, that meant physically being out in nature to be reminded that our civilized existence is operating within, for the most part, an artificial or constructed world. And in terms of realizing what's lost when we confine our experience of life in what's a constructed reality, is we lose touch of norm,
Hmm.
and we lose touch with the fact that suffering is a part of life. Birth and death cycles are a part of life. We need to have a relationship and an understanding of where we are in relation to these cycles to really contextualize emotional experiences. And so, a stress reliever for me is being in touch with nature of some sort. I actually got into gardening after my ayahuasca trip. I also think it's healthy to have some practice that involves some measure of discomfort. That can be running, that can be the gym, that can
Hmm.
be a hobby that requires, suffering with something. So piano lessons or violin, something that involves struggle. Again, being connected to healthy struggle can help you contextualize unwanted struggle. So I think that's very important for mental health balance.